How to block someone on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you two different ways to block a contact on your Android device. First method, open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap the three dots at the top right to open the menu. Tap Settings, then tap Privacy. From there, scroll down and tap Blocked Contacts. At the top right, tap the Add icon to bring up your contact list. Find the person you want to block, tap on their name, and they'll be blocked immediately. Second method, go to your WhatsApp chats and open the conversation with the person you want to block. Tap on their name at the top of the chat to open their contact info. Scroll down until you see the block option and tap on it. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Block to confirm. Keep in mind, once someone is blocked, they won't be able to call you, send you messages, or see updates to your profile photo or status, and they won't be notified that they've been blocked. And that's it. If this guide helped you block someone on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.